How to manage open positions in Exness. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, you will see the Open tab where all your active trades are listed. To manage an open position, tap on the specific trade. You can choose to close the trade completely by tapping Close Order or modify it by adding a stop loss or take profit to manage risks and secure profit. You can also use partial close or close by options depending on your trading strategy. Keep monitoring your trades to respond effectively to market movements. Regularly managing your open position helps minimize losses, lock in profits, and make smarter trading decisions. You can also tap View on Chart to utilize tools available in Exness such as real-time charts and technical indicators, which make this process even more effective. Now you know how to manage open positions in Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.